Mistplay can block your account or stop reward tracking the moment it detects an emulator, even if you're using it just to test games. By the end of this, you'll know why Mistplay flags emulator detection and what you can do to fix it. The short answer is simple. Mistplay is built to run on physical Android devices only. Its fraud system checks device hardware, sensors, and system signatures. Emulators like BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LDPlayer often fail those checks instantly. That means if you're running Mistplay on a PC emulator, there is no real fix inside the emulator itself. The fix is moving to a real device. Install Mistplay directly from the Google Play Store on an Android phone. Don't transfer APK files from an emulator. A clean Play Store install gives Mistplay the proper install signature it expects. Now here's where people get stuck. Sometimes Mistplay shows emulator detected, even on a real phone. That usually happens because something on the phone looks modified. Start by checking for developer options. Go into Settings System, Developer Options. If USB debugging is on, turn it off. Some anti-fraud systems treat active debugging as suspicious. Next, check if your device is rooted. Mistplay can mistake rooted phones for virtual devices because root changes system-level access. If your phone is rooted, that's likely the trigger. Now remove cloning apps. Apps like Parallel Space, Dual Space, and App Cloners can make Mistplay think it's running in a virtual environment. Uninstall them, restart the phone, and try again. After that, clear Mistplay's app data. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets any previous emulator flag tied to the app session. Another thing to check is Play Protect certification. Open the Play Store, tap your profile, then Settings, About. Look for Play Protect certification. If it says uncertified, Mistplay may flag the device because Google can't verify it. If you logged into Mistplay on an emulator before, that account may already be flagged. In that case, contact support and explain that you switched to a physical device. Include your device model and account email so they can review it. Quick recap. Mistplay does not support emulators, and the safest fix is using a real Android phone. Turn off debugging, remove cloning apps, and make sure your device is certified. Your next step is simple. Check if your current phone has any virtual app tools installed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.